Today, I'm going to be sharing how to avoid getting demonetized on Facebook, right? And I'm going to be sharing 3 things that can actually cause demonetization on Facebook. This video is not going to be long, so you just need to pay attention because I'm going to be explaining it briefly. Number one is violating community standard, which means like posting hate speech, violence content, adult content, or misinformation. Right? It's important when you're posting, you should make sure that you avoid this. So if you're talking about something, make sure that you are very sure of that before you actually make that video, because if you mislead people with your content, Facebook can actually demonetize you with that. And you should also understand that Facebook has tools that actually check your violation before your video is being published, and if you constantly break these rules, Facebook is going to take away their monetization. Number two is copyright issue, like using people's music, image, or videos, or any content at all that does not belong to you, right, can actually lead you to demonetization. So it's important, if you want to use people's music, use royalty free music, or go to Facebook music collection. They have thousands of music that you can actually use for your content instead of taking the risk of using other people's music that might lead you to trouble. Number three is low quality or misleading content. If you always use clickbait or misleading thumbnail in order to get people to watch your video, is wrong. Facebook might demonetize you because of that. Or maybe you use title in order to lure people to come and watch your video, and when they watch your video, it's not the same thing with the title that you place there. So it's important for you to always be transparent. Do not deceive your audience, right? And also focus on posting original content. Original content actually has greater value, and it's always earn more for you. So it's important for you to actually post original content, stop misleading people, and you will not be demonetized. So these are the major things that can actually demonetize you on Facebook. A lot of people actually overlook this, but these 3 things that I just mentioned in this video are very powerful, and they are the easiest way you can be demonetized on Facebook, right? So guys, if you're looking for a website to buy followers, like, comments, shares, and other social media services, either on Instagram, Facebook, or TikTok, everywhere, come to this website called growbeta.net right here. The link is in the description. Just tap on the link, it will take you to the website. All you need to do is to just come create an account. Just come to the sign up right here. Can you see the sign up right here? Tap on it, and once you tap on it, come right here, create a username, come right here, put your email, and come right here, create a password, confirm your password right here, and click on the sign up, and your account is going to be created. So after you created your account, this is exactly how it's going to be looking like. If you want to buy followers or like or everything, just come to this category and come and select the particular one you want. If it's followers that you want, you just come select followers. If it's likes you want, if it's comments, whatever you want, just come select it. Come to the service, select the preferable service you want, and read the description, and come right here, paste your link. If it's likes or views or comments you want, use your post link right here. If it's followers, use your profile link right here, and come to this quantity right here, put the amount of followers you want, or likes, amount of like, or whatever you want, and come and click on this submit right here. Can you see this submit right here? Tap on it, and your order is going to be taken. And if you want to fund account in this platform, it's very easy. Just come to these 3 dots right here. Can you see these 3 dots? Tap on it and come to this add fund right here. Can you see this add fund right here? Tap on it, and tap on it, come to these dots right here. Can you see this dot right here? Tap on it, you will see 2 payment options right here. Either use Quora Pay or you use manual, any of them. And this is exactly how to use the website. The link is in the description. Tap on it to take you to the website.